Mission Tomorrow is a regional career fair that is hosted by Chamber RVA and Junior Achievement for all of our middle schoolers in 8th grade to be exposed to career awareness activities. Chesterfield is one of the school divisions that gets to participate in this regional event. Every year we have annually around 5,000 8th grade students that will come and participate in Mission Tomorrow. While students are here, they get to explore all 17 career clusters and get exposed to different careers that are out there and available to them within the region. This is really dedicated to students having that career exposure so they have more of awareness of what's out there and available on their back doors. We truly believe in Chesterfield that kids can't be what they can't see, and this event lets them have that opportunity.
The great part about Mission Tomorrow is we're giving opportunities to 8th graders to come in and see the different careers that they could choose for themselves that they might not have exposure to without an event like this. If you can look in the background, Dominion provides numerous opportunities for these young people to engage and see what it is we do on a daily basis, from switches, bringing electricity from our power plants all the way down to your home, which they might not normally get an opportunity to engage with. And we discuss the career paths of how to get there, what salaries might look like, and what steps they need to take to enter this career field. Dominion partners with Chesterfield County Public Schools in numerous ways. We have touch points throughout the year. We do Dominion Energy Days, we do job shadowing, we do class talks, guest appearances, as well as hiring towards the end of the school year.
The best thing about this event is that every booth has a hands-on component for students to participate in, so it's not just come, sit, listen, and get. It's actually try this, do a skill, use a drill, climb a telephone pole, do medical experiments with stethoscopes and different things that are being done in manufacturing. So it really gives kids that first hands-on experience to kind of touch, see, feel, and affirm, yes, this is right for me, or no, it's not, which is just as important for our kids.
There's 3 ropes.